The scale of greed surrounding the Tembisa Hospital corruption scandal continues to astound South Africans, with fresh revelations exposing how tender kingpin Hangano Maumela, the nephew of President Cyril Ramaphosa, splashed millions on some of the world's most exclusive supercars, including a 52 million rand Pagani Roadster, one of only 100 ever made. According to News24 publication, Maumela acquired the Italian-built hypercar in late 2021, mere months after whistleblower Papito Decoran raised red flags over a web of shell companies linked to the hospital's procurement system. Her warnings pointed to suspicious transactions worth hundreds of millions of rands, many alleged connected to Maumela's network of more than 40 front companies. The Special Investigating Unit (SIU) and the Asset Forfeiture Unit have since identified over 208 million rand in luxury car purchases made by Maumela and his associates within 2 years, a collection that reportedly includes 32 high-end vehicles, from Ferraris and Lamborghinis to Bentleys and Rolls-Royces. Every component of the Pagani Huayra Roadster, down to its screws and bolt, bears the Max logo, a hallmark of exclusivity. Built in Modena, Italy, the car represents a level of wealth and status few achieve legally, let alone through public health funds meant to serve vulnerable communities. Decoran, who served as Chief Director of Financial Accounting in the Gauteng Department of Health, was assassinated outside her Johannesburg home in 2021, just weeks after she froze 850 million rand in suspicious payments to companies trading with Tembisa Hospital. While 6 men have since been convicted and sentenced for her murder, the mastermind behind the hit remains at large. Her death exposed a sprawling corruption network that siphoned more than 2.3 billion rand from the hospital through fraudulent tenders and inflated invoices. Earlier this month, Health Minister Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi confirmed that more luxury assets tied to the Tembisa Hospital syndicate were being seized, and said this is the only tip of the iceberg. There are more cars, some more expensive than Lamborghinis, that we are targeting. We are also looking into assets of officials who have since left the public service. The AFU has already seized a number of properties, vehicles, and other luxury assets belonging to Maumela, his family, and associate Rodolphe Mazibuko. Maumela is reportedly a nephew of President Cyril Ramaphosa from a previous marriage. However, the president has publicly disavowed any connection to his relatives' alleged criminal activities. The ongoing probe by the SIU and AFU aims to recover billions lost to corruption, funds that could have saved lives in one of Gauteng's most burdened hospitals. As the investigation deepens, the story of Tembisa Hospital stands as both tragedy and a warning when greed infiltrates public institutions. It's the nation's poorest who pay the highest price. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.